Hi, good morning. My name is Abigail Lagua. Uh, I'm 34 years old and I am married. Uh, I have three kids. They are 13, 7, and 5 years old. Mm, I've been working at the Philippines for 2 years. Take care the child of my employer. And here at Hong Kong, I've been working here at 1 year and 5 months. And I love cooking, taking care of children. Yeah, if have coworkers, it's okay with me. And my personality is kind, responsible, and hardworking. Uh, I love to take care pets if have and take care babies or children. And that's all. And thank you. Bye bye.